Hello. So this is Eric, Regit 505. I'm working on my Hummel airplane and I'm at work today. So I have here those 1/8 holes that I want to make them countersink like that. So what I did is something super cool. I end up 3D printing. Let's see, it will be hard to see because it's so small. Oops, I lost one. I 3D print those small dimple dies, and those small dimple die will let me make one of those. 1 second, I dropped one. I'm gonna give it back. Okay, here they are, mini dimple dies. Let me go on the other side of the camera so I can see that you see. Okay, if you stay so far, you're up for a treat, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So I create those with one of the software for the 3D printer. It took me about probably about 3 minutes. And what it is, it's a male and a female dimple die, tiny dimple dies. And I'm gonna show, okay, so the last hole over here is not set up. I will take the direction that I want the dimple die to go to continue with the rest, shove it in, put the other side on it, and then I will take my rivet squeezer, put it kind of inside gently and give it a small squeeze and take it back out. I'm doing it by myself, so it's kind of hard. Usually you need two people to look at the camera and see, so I'm trying to look at the camera and look at what I do at the same time. And there it is. I just did the dimple on it, or countersink, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, so now I can put inside the, if I need to do a flash mount rivets. I'm gonna do another one to show you. You can do as many as you want. You're not really gonna break it because the material, this is 020. It's very strong, the plastic that I'm using, the PETG. So again, you set it up through the hole. 1 second, the camera is vibrating. Stop moving. And then you put the end cap on top of it. You just hold it. You're gonna grab, it's so heavy, this tool. You're gonna grab the tool over here, put it, and whoops. Of course, this will happen while I'm videoing. Okay, so again, put it in the hole, pop it in, grab the tool, put it inside, set it up to where you want it, give it a small crimped, open it back up, and remove the top, remove the bottom, and you have a tiny dimple with a lot of kind of lift here that you need. And that's it. And look, the pieces are still good. They did not break or anything, and they probably never will. And it's cost me 3 cents to make those, just 3 cents. That's it. Just want to show off on this. Shout out for Dennis Brooks for doing the Hummel. I just want to show this to you too. We were talking about this tool. I told you I can 3D print one, and it's actually working pretty good. See you in my next video. If you have questions, if you want one, contact me. Bye.